Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So here we are making another video about my journey into robotics. And as you can see immediately, we have a new addition to our team, but we're not going to talk about him just yet. So first of all, I tried to troubleshoot R2 here again, but I'm just having no luck with him. Let's see if you can see inside. As you can see, he's quite complicated inside, and it's too much for me to understand completely right now. But I did some research online, and it appears that perhaps this motor right here might be what's causing all the problems. So I think I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and try to call the Japanese company to see if I can get a new motor for him. But we'll see. He does still turn on and work and whatnot, but yeah, it's too, I don't know, not dangerous, I guess, but because he could break if he spins too hard or too fast or too much or whatever. I don't know. So I think I'll probably try to call them tomorrow, perhaps. And then, so, if you've seen episode 9, then you know who this is. If you haven't seen episode 9, then you don't know who it is. This is Dio. He is in episode 9. And I had seen his toy on sale in the local electronics store, Yodobashi Camera, but I was really hesitant on buying it because he was really expensive. I think in America he was about maybe $50 or $60 for this version, but in Japan he was like 10,000 yen, which is like over $100. But today I was in an electronics store looking for an air fryer, but that's a completely different story. But I didn't find one. And anyway, so I went up to the electronic toy area and found Dio for only 2,000 yen. So it was like 80% off, over 80% off of what his actual cost was. So I was like, all right, let's go ahead and get it. It's only 2,000 yen. Let's see what he can do. And he's really basic, but he's really cool. So this isn't really going to be a toy review or anything, but I just want to show you what he can do. So I just turned him on. He talks when you turn him on. Comes with a simple remote control like this. He can go forward, backward, and he can spin, which is really cool. And he can talk while he spins and whatnot. So pretty basic. But you know what? For 2,000 yen, why not? He's really cool. And it's just a really basic toy. He has 2 giant wheels here, forward, backward, and he talks a lot. And then 2 guide wheels so to keep him upright, which is fine. I understand that. And then that's his on-off switch. So that's pretty cool. Not too bad for 2,000 yen. Yes, I know. But I guess there is a more expensive version that I've seen on like other videos, but I heard it's not that good. That actually this cheaper one is much better, I heard. I don't know. Anyways, so it's pretty cool. He's not nearly as sophisticated as R2 here, but yeah, he's pretty cool. And he looks to be about right in scale. Oh, see, if you don't move him for a while, he does that. He moves on his own. So anyways, yeah, he does seem to be fit in scale with R2 here, half scale. So I need to get me a BB-8 and a C-3PO to go with that too. Okay, we're going to turn you off. Go to sleep. I really liked him in the movie. He was one of my favorite characters in it. That's pretty cool. And then, one other thing I wanted to show before I make any changes to my car here is I wanted to show the detection system a little bit better to show you how it works exactly, because I realized my video with R2 was not that good maybe. So the way it works is, let me turn them on, is that it's detecting objects, and then when it detects an object, it moves forward to that object, or left or right, depending on which sensor is set off. So if I move that one, he's going to move towards my hand. Set off that one, he's going to go left towards my hand, right? Just like that. And if I move both, he's going to go forward. Like that. So as long as there's something there in front, it will try to move. So I thought that's pretty cool, but it's so basic, so limited, and for this robot right now, it's not really practical. You know, it's not following anything per se. Like, if I set it up to only follow R2, that would be pretty cool. But right now, it's just not a very cool feature. So, with that being said, let's go turn it off. I'm going to stop the video, and we're going to do the next hardware installment on this guy here. And so, hang on a few minutes. Well, it's only going to be a few seconds for you. It's going to be a few minutes for me. Just hang on. All right, and here we go. So, the next installation, hardware installation, was line tracking. So, as you can see here, I made a basic design. Actually, it kind of looks like a upside down Pac-Man. That was not intended. Whatever. Anyways, so I haven't tried this out yet. So let's see if it works. So the basic concept is that the car will follow along the black lines to complete the circle. And it should work. Should. So let's see. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There it goes. Oh wow. Now my apartment's not so big, so this is the biggest I can make, really. That's pretty cool though. I mean, it's not so perfectly accurate. But oh, it stopped. Why did it stop? See, because that corner, it must not be able to figure out where to go next. There we go. Okay. Seems to be working pretty good. That's pretty cool. Oh. So it's not too smart. It's just, you know, if it detects black, it goes. Cool. Okay, well, we're going to stop it. See, as you can see now, it's above off the ground. So the sensors are off. So it must detect, yeah, probably, I don't know how many, less than 1 inch. So probably a couple millimeters it detects, and then it goes. That's cool. So it's moving off my hand as well. So maybe it's not just black. Maybe it just detects white or not white. And if there's not white, it goes. So that's pretty cool. So there we are, the 5 sensors. It's starting to look like a Frankenstein's monster on there. I wish there was a way to get it more organized. But anyways, that's it for now. So thanks for watching. Oh, see, he stopped. Oh, is he gonna go? There we go. Alright. Anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next hardware installment. Catch you next time. Peace.